So, have a blessed day everyone. This is JB Sales Executive from MG Paranaque. And sa mga previous video natin, ang ating pong nire-review doon, yung pong ating mid variant, which is the comfort variant. And now, ito po ang ating display dito ngayon, 7-seater G50 Plus Lux na top of the line. So, ito po yung ating i-review ngayon. And i-compare po natin, ano po ba yung mga advantages na makukuha natin kung ang G50 Plus Lux po ang ating i-avail or i-purchase compared to other variants. And also, i-compare na rin po natin siya sa mga ibang 7-seater or 8-seater na mga model na mga cars or other brands like Innova and Expander. Kasi since na-drive na rin po natin ang mga unit na yan. So, unahin natin ang design. Kung makikita nyo, ang G50 Plus Lux ay mas malaki at mahaba kaysa ibang mga 7-seater or 8-seater na MPV like Innova and Expander or Livina. So, mas malaki, mas mahaba, and mas matangkad po siya. Okay, which gives you more space and more commanding presence on the road. Plus, kung tingnan nyo ang headlights, naka-LED na po ang kanyang front. Yan, sa COM natin naka-halogen, pero itong Lux natin naka-LED na siya and naka-LED daytime running lights na po siya. And also, yun pong kanyang tail lights naka-LED na rin po. Giving it more modern and premium look. Pagdating naman dito po sa kanyang loob, this is where the MG G50 Plus Lux stand out. Especially kung naghahanap ka ng isang executive feel, eto na po ang iyong hinahanap. So, by the way, ang G50 Plus Lux natin, meron po siyang dalawang configuration. Mayroon siyang 8-seater and 7-seater. By the way, ito po yung ating 7-seater na mayroon po siyang captain seats. Kung gusto mo talaga na mas premium and comfort, pwede mong piliin ang 7-seater version na may captain seats sa second row. Perfect na perfect for an executive look and feel. Kung makita nyo ang captain seats sa second row, mas komportable, may sariling armrest, at may 6-way power driver seats for maximum comfort. Kung ikaw ay madalas na mag-drive, this is definitely a big upgrade. Okay, now moving to the tech features. The MG G50 Plus Lux is equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen display and of course, the classic MG styling. Napaka-responsive ang kanyang screen and it's perfect for navigation, entertainment, and all your car controls. You also get a 4-inch instrument cluster na nandito po sa aking harap. Ayan, at 4 more essential driving information. At pagdating naman sa kanyang convenience features, the Lux variant has a push-start ignition system, cruise control, and electronic parking brake with auto-hold function. Ito actually, palagi ko na itong na-drive, kaya gamit na gamit ko po itong auto-hold function lalo na sa mga traffic areas. Plus, reverse camera and reverse sensors to make parking so much easier, especially with the size of this vehicle kasi mas mahaba talaga itong sasakyan ito compared po sa ibang MPV or 8-seater na mga sasakyan. Under the hood, the MG G50 Plus Lux comes with a 1.5 turbocharged gasoline engine and it produces a maximum power of 181 PS and 285 Newton meter of torque. Ibig sabihin nun, mas matulin, mas malakas po ang kanyang hatak, and proven and tested po na po natin ito kasi ilang beses na po natin na-drive ito pong ating MG G50 Plus na Lux variant and comfort variant. Okay, actually lahat po ng variant ng G50 is same lang po sila ng power. Okay, so mas matulin at mas malakas po siya compared po sa ibang MPV na mga model. Yon. So hindi lang ito pang family trips, kundi pwede rin itong pang long drives or quick getaways. At isa pa sa mga bagay na magugustuhan mo is how easy and smooth it is to drive. Thanks to the 7-speed twin-clutch Sportronic transmission, wet type. Ayan, so sa mga may alam po doon sa mga makina, pag sinabi nating wet type, alam nyo po kung ano yung advantages nun, lalo na pag long drives. At makakaramdam ka ng seamless shifting habang nagde-drive, whether city or highway driving. So napaka-smooth po niya. At actually, marami tayong mga test drive na mga babae po na nagte-test drive dito po sa ating unit na G50, and yung iba actually is na-release na natin. Ayan, so sa mga nakakapanood po dito na naka G50 Plus, ayan, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Okay, na sila po mismo makapagsasabi na nung na-drive nila, akala para daw yung feeling nila na matagal lang dinadrive na yung G50 Plus G50 Plus natin na model. So, napaka-smooth, yung driving adaptability niya ay napakadali po. Actually, kung gusto niyo po mag-test drive at masubukan po ang ating unit, just comment down below or you can message me directly on our Facebook page. Ayan. So, and of course, safety is our priority here. The G50 Plus Lux comes with the anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, vehicle dynamic control, electronic stability program, traction control, at marami pang iba to ensure your safety on the road, pati na rin yung airbags. Meron tayong front airbags, side airbags for added protection. Now, let's talk about the price. The MG G50 Plus Lux is priced at 1,288,888. So, 1.2. Kung ibibilhin po natin ito ng cash, mayroon pa tayong discount na 80,000 to 90,000 na discount dito po sa ating model na G50 Plus. Okay, so sa 1.2 na price, actually sa ibang mga model or ibang mga brand is base variant lang po nila yon. Pero sa atin, sa 1.2 na price, top of the line na po ito. Okay, so talagang masabi mo yung sulit or value for money talaga. Para sa mga features na makukuha natin dito po sa G50 Plus Lux, sa 1.2, super sulit na yan. Plus, if you're looking to get one, meron silang promo na 45,000 down payment and monthly payment of around 26,000 plus. And that's not all. There's a 3 years free LTO registration, 1 year free insurance, 3 years PMS. Kadalasan sa mga brand is first PMS lang po ang free, pero ito po 3 years of PMS is free na po siya. And sa makina wala kang alalahanin, 6 years engine warranty po siya. So kung naghahanap ka ng spacious, comfortable at high-tech MPV, the MG G50 Plus Lux is definitely a great option, especially with its premium features and great value for money. So ang ating pong branch ay nasa Parañaque BF po. Pwede nyo po i-contact and make sure to check out our display unit for yourself. And if you have any questions or want to schedule for a test drive, feel free to drop a comment below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, see you on the road. God bless.